How to fix Netflix login error on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In this video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix Netflix login error on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. There are three reasons when you're not being able to log into Netflix. First is the application issue, second is the account issue, and the last is actually the credentials issue. So in order to solve all this problem, first of all, to get of course started with the application issue, you want to go ahead and then simply open up settings, and once you open up settings, you want to go to general. Once you go to general, go to iPhone storage, and then over here you simply want to look for an application called Netflix, and then what you want to do is simply tap on the offload app button, tap on offload from the bottom, and then tap on the reinstall button again over here in order to offload and then reinstall the Netflix application. After this, what you want to do is you simply want to come back and then you want to simply go to your app store. Once you go to app store, in the search box you simply want to type in Netflix, and once you type in Netflix, you want to make sure that you have actually updated the Netflix app to the latest version, because what updating does is it's going to get rid of most of the bugs and errors that definitely existed in the previous versions of the application. If this doesn't help you, then what you might try to want to do is, if it could be the issue with your account, then you can simply try to switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data or cellular data to Wi-Fi or to a VPN and connect to a virtual private network. This is going to change your IP address, and if Netflix has banned your IP address from accessing the server for violating any type of conditions, then changing the IP address could definitely help you try to log into your account. So you might want to try to do that respectively. Last but not the least, this could also be happening due to incorrect credentials. So open up Netflix, check if all your login details are correct, and then over here you simply want to make sure that the email, the password, and everything else is actually inputted correctly, and then only try to log into your account respectively. Hopefully this video helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.